Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. Enra, Stonebwoy, any MPP asem no, Broken Heart, Sebi, Stonebwoy, Ediama MPP, party no. Asem no, esa kopie mu, ewo United Showbiz. And as usual, MCI Yeaboah, ebe mu, ebe different the Stonebwoy. 100%. Obechre dientia sebi asem na Stonebwoy kan ye no. Enya asem bia e wo se ye hu ne se as Stonebwoy abodua sebi e wo se odane.
Ubusa me say at that time no na you're right. So Ubusa me
such stage
in my humble opinion, I think that was a perfect place and time to make such a statement.
I fan reason.
Yes. And point of correction. Stonebwoy yankada say enyum na me ye no me ye ma NDC for one kasada.
No can say.
Or say since we are contributing, Mr. President, I think we all believe that my song, I contributed in also, you know, the NDC coming to power. I believe everybody
contributed.
Knows. So hold on. What be some question I would say? I contributed in the party coming to power. I believe everybody knows. Then the people saw so, and that was.
Oh yeah, no, the man NDC for.
So let me explain. He never said, he never said, my young ama NDC, or say it contributed. So there's a difference between making it for and something contributing.
But MPP phone be worthful.
So this is it. First of all, in fact, answer na meba so me person making it clear say, I think say me I don't subscribe to artists ye brandy omo as a political party member because say oma ye nyumama party be. An artist is a performer. That is a business. It is a livelihood. That is what pays their bills. And as an artist, no, ye found say be say sa nyum. Emma political party be and a government initiative be a ya. And no chre say u don sa amanyuku no. Okay. Say ye found as an artist because we are an artist, we are a creative person, no, you should be able to have the freedom, say CPP program, and now you should be able to mount that stage and perform. Okay. Say you should be able to go there. Say your NDC should be able to go there. A MPP should be able to go there. An artist is not supposed to be boxed because he was commissioned or contracted on a dia a juma. So one may say Sanyum, Emma political party be an government initiative, Bonnie Bieni. And I think say baby I about do your politics muno, any ya manual say money Ghana for no. I was see a rising above that. And yet fair to any artist. Say Empress, and may during campaign season, you who send Pempi now will call Afafanto stage I will performing. And no, just say be about NDC really, we saw how excited you are.
Very.
It tells two different stories. Me patro da make not say. As a brand as Empress, no, I was say who to me call Afafanto stage now call performing. I was say NDC fell so what to me call now call performing. I was say MPP fell so I was so what to me call now because where Jumani was said there first. Is that you are an artist. Okay. And you are not supposed to be boxed in any you can say way. And you know, so at the end of the day, artists for whether Sarkodie, whether Black Sheriff or whoever, it's not fair. And you know, so they do sad time now. Artists be why your friend is so me perform. Could be unless it's can hear power. But because I will need Ghana for you sue any senior you see for your manual semuntino. Maybe I know I then will decline. With that being said, Empress. Adia kwakofa asemi aba GhPage ye king. Empress GhPage as at the time I release and I'm building a point about bisiwa asem so. GhPage wasn't just a regular release. Stonebwoy GhPage featuring Jintin, one of the biggest guitarists in the diaspora. No. It was not just a song that was released. It was a song that was topping charts. It was a fast rising hit song in Ghana. That song alone made 4.7 million views. it hit 1 million views the first week it was released. Otuaso Ebasia, it reached #1 on Ghana YouTube. Sa JJJ Numa Yeka Wasemu, it did about 600,000 views in just the first 2 days it was released. And Tinecha was said that song was a song that was a hit that people loved. Nade na kwa kofa asemi abe. JJJ Numa Yetu na anu ya okofa by Empress. Obi a wo tie me bia pa, odi ye kasa ya ko YouTube ne ko bo nwum no netie. Enwum no me fapem pa ene din ana se assemble na enwum ne ka. O se na anu ya na okofa ba ye. You're sorry anopa. We woke up in the morning, see Kofi. Kofi, when you go find girl for streets. Kofi na Alaman. Kofi na Jagaban. Kofi peja na beti because wakako for bafo for abanti. Ebusuafo ne kasa wontie. Ne navufo ne kasa wontie. Kofi shebibi yo. Na wabeyi wakako fa na odi na befie. Na anu ya na ukofa bi baye. And and when you watch the video depicts that you could see Kofi as a smallish man wokita front axles and back axles or city. I just a course commotion as Kofi will be a day na handle sadly. Empress, and you each the muyamame, a dear nature say, I can't have any political message. Hold on, me chremuba abotre. Okay. No fapim no. But also make us a preamble of the numbers that the song has done. The song became an instant hit that it was on the lips of people. Anything na encrophobi and I say NDC phobi tina ho ka say omo ye smart omo say encrophobi yuma wa Stonebwoy yuma wa boy. And you obia to be. Me see na ukwa bontina boss and you and kola maybe 5 years they are singing to the song. My own daughter sings to that song. It tells you how down the song went. And so some faction of the NDC for fine you me. And the one more remixing no dane no ye na no ya na okofa yi levi ba ye wa wo jejeje na no ya na okofa
NDC for.
Yes. And yes, and that song was played on almost every NDC political platform. And even the gentleman of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, in one of his campaign messages, simply making his speech notes or quoting a Stonebwoy in chorus, no. And Oka say, Ananuya na mokofa bae, mwamu jejereje. So that song was remixed to convey some of the messages and na NDC for ni bini person wo mo yeden wo mo communicate ma masses no and a president na mo so gina simpie so e kan yenti Empress ene ye head of a year Benetton music group Vida and my classic and brilliant example Empress ene wuti we glam by Franca ene chi wanyim utu yanika Odipo share watari mawi. Thank you very much. Entia no sa no. Onipa na wo share wo wig no. Owo wo kwan so obetumi agina baabi aka say, "Hey, and Empress looks your deco UTV. I contributed to that looks." Would she be wrong or right?
It's because say me no yakwa agreement. Say oye mami na me betena na ma money dia.
Na just a what floor agreement na make say so
first me magia tu no agia tu. Say every Saturday free me to be seminar say ono no obeye there. Good. That means say me
good, but I know so nkyerese na nka wuni ska wo de betua ana. Thank you very much. But enti ono sa no glam by Franca betumi anka say ono no ye look ma Empress. Ono so no I'm explaining, you get my point. Ono so me contribution to the Empress brand on this day no any she has every right to post the pictures that thank you. So she has every right to post those pictures to also invite clients to her page. Say me pacho dia me cannot say. Enti no say NDC you so sign ya dani yumi ya di aye political song ya born where your platform so ya di aka ya asem ya nkasa ye mampani aka ya aka na asem a all conveys na anu ya na mokofa yi levi ba he mo amu jejereje na anu ya na mokofa se ba mo amu jejereje. It is not out of place that Stonebwoy will say that he contributed to the winning of NDC. In a form of song, because Empress, they are assassin we buy anything.
Say Stonebwoy percent congis can correct me from no
mako. Wo kwa ma asem na ye easy. Sonka if or no obetumi atenase aka said this is supposed to be a business. This is my property. Na mo yusu ti ye tenase na say ya can business na ma jimisika na mo de enyim he had every right to that, but he didn't do that. So if he says it's a contribution, it is a contribution because the song contributed. Empress Manu, now we have some questions. I bear back and forth. So the song contributed.
I said loopholes.
Loopholes. Me me ya throw loopholes not to me ya. Me ma fellas near the accompany loopholes nina. So the song contributed on political campaign platforms for the NDC. Now, what brought about this whole issue? Okay. The thing is that some time ago, African Prosperity Forum for normal event. And now, one more free on you to need to say Stonebwoy. And you know, yeti habedia dance say Stonebwoy is one of the artists who says sanyum efa some of young money who as a country. A ban on some of your natural resources. He has songs about that. One Go has become a classical hit for a lot of people and especially the elite because that song talks about the livelihood of Africa. Patrol, recent EP, I drop it torture to you. Many times, track 2 on the EP, it talks about the livelihood of Ghanaians. Stonebwoy is an artist that is gifted with such talent. He's one of them. Otumi say sanyum efa nyema ho sa. Na African Prosperity, ba be yo mujumedie no say okay, ye penyum tunia. Wo be ye de obe nyele nyom amayen concerning ye forum here baby because you see African Prosperity you want minerals you want natural resources you will say until you bet to me ankasa ye dey as a people and first Stonebwoy na nyoma oko ye no Mr. Gabi Ochredako and the trace anyom no and a Stonebwoy eto nyom no edu mra African leaders ne ba be hie mu wo Ghana ha ne ye friend no ma ne koye den eko performance sa enyom na he was commissioned to create for the particular program. And when there was a picture that was circulating, say Stonebwoy name Mr. Ochredako, picture, Gabi Ochredako, picture will play mu, and all of a sudden people were tagging him as MPP or MPP. And we cry Ghana Victory Concert, and ye Billy Stonebwoy. Then the conversation, drop Stonebwoy, drop Ampeni Ampa. You see NDC grassroots saying drop is Stonebwoy. Ampeni Ampa, ye share nyankupo enim shobon sametiko. Any ye abranti any fee program so. So, akoye say you are being tagged as a certain political party member, and so we don't want you on this platform. Meanwhile, these same people are the ones that used my song. For the general public that has nothing to do with politics. So when you see the kaye message and I know so chese me NDC niana me patrol they make notice here and no chese say you use me you use na no ya no kofa ba Yeaboah president they are the campaign ministers they are campaign and also chese say onipa na wo trust anyum na o say sa anyum no so ya NDC niana there be yes patrol Abranko for ne born, and a Stonebwoy can be or friend because there should be an agreement. So, okay, I didn't know why I meant because a intellectual property. He owns the song. So, now Obia Kofa watch me. Yeah. Obia Kekena Kofa watch me. Would you me back? No, situate the conversation well. No, Obia Kofa watch me. No, Bina Kofa. You said it was a political party, but I'm your president in a tournament. Okay. And your minister minister being a tournament. It was somebody, Obia, no see a musician, underground person being a Kofa and you know, Danino, and I'm confident. Because at that time there was too much heat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And the conversation was different. Yes. It is a Stonebwoy to me and Flower Man. Okay, Nipa wadani me, I dare wear media. Nipa no wadani me Jemoshe. But Modia Monfanam Choir, that means he said, not Jenny, a candian, pass one me bow, one kashi, where you nani.
on one original song ne da is going obia airport so na sa fe de power ba na a big platform like this that's a Stonebwoy as original platform na so na Stonebwoy ka so many contribute here and
but did the song contribute or not?
We can't say it.
No, Empress, let's face facts. You rightly said, you rightly said that it was system. When you listen to Stonebwoy's conversation, and if you want to be, if you,
I beg you, do you think, say, that statement?
You've asked me, I've answered. I said that statement was the right place and the right time to say. Yes. Because, and I make Kasabano. So that statement that you made said, na hit, if you listen to Stonebwoy's kind of saying, no, not a song. The statements won't make you a raffle. He categorically said that there was a lot of tension. So I released the song to ease people's tension. To me releasing no tension will come and no na farm and crofo de sa na enije na ba be din crofo bi side almost you omo de be ya omo nyuma. Afeni aba na me kwa catch omo say don't use my song. Pay me da. The reason why it is the right place for him to say that is, but how many of us get the opportunity to meet the president? How many of us? Oh. And no, it is not that easy. Empress, only bia, to me a phone call, and you to me link you my president. It is not easy for everybody. Let's face
to meet.
Now we go first. Said you almost Stonebwoy here. Almost one person share president.
Our president.
Maybe you are the one who have the link. So speak for yourself.
I'm not speaking for myself.
No, and maybe you are the one who has the links that you can call and they will pull some plugs and then you can be able to meet the president. Not everybody has that access. Let's be factual. Well, it's your opinion. So if that at that point in time he stands on a platform and respectfully, he was not arrogant about it. No. He was not rude about it. He was jovial about it. The president was even laughing. The people in the auditorium was even singing to the song. He was very jovial about it. And then he said, oh, well, if when it comes to contribution, then my song JJJ also contributed to NDC winning power. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that. So if we try to tilt the thing we're making at that time, no. Now of course, what time would have been the right time?
Last task for the 2 months can't check. No, I say oh, really near my pista.
And see that, like you say, said that statement. Now, I will say said that statement. You know, swayed. I will say that statement swayed the whole program. Like, why did you raise it? It was a jovial statement. Are we not also discussing the 100,000? That was what did the 100,000 go to do? Is it not for donation for the Black Stars? Are we not talking about it? Is this not even creating more awareness that there was a fundraiser that was raised? Say the best supporting a young Black Stars. And I'm contributed to the awareness that is going to create for the fundraiser. And, you know, if somebody, you see, if it would have been of any attention, it would have been a different conversation if the person was arrogant or boastful about it. Then you would say maybe that was not the right place. Now make us say it will be another conversation. But only when you are no, Akonya is wrong. When you're crying, our president is too. No, can't some man top president. No, come just the president. I didn't for the year, pa. Come can you now? But on your mintino. Now, said your no brand, no, as so. Any no than any minute. That is why he respectfully and jovially said that my song country, and we can all attest to that fact. That song was widely used and remixed. Obiga said or say contributed. And the line where the contribute can be on Kasa and I'm a party they use. And a one baby at the say one baby at the say me yema. Asumesi party and all Bintin party patron maker. Yeah,
two parties in Yana name.
Asuma Babe Kana Wakama. Yeah, NDC play that song, but almost remixing messages. I have not heard that of the other political party or my remixing, recording. I want to come as a maintain, but it was played. But they make a note myself.
MPP fully be pissed or my pain.
I think it would be unfair that they will be pissed. Pacho, it would be very unfair because say your artists are your Shatta commission almost say Emma political parties. Me pacho me boy. And like I said, until I'm a shader and I'm explaining and you make cassava or bear ma wakakofa or bar or brone so. 81 kaseme ye nyum ma in any way that song it is not a political song but what must it is not related in any way nemum one fa dane nyum nani e de be ye omo political you can saying campaign but the American Stonebwoy in card that's why ye nyum ama NDC for enti ebia na
boy
MPP phone bi a wo mate no ebia na omunya that full explanation wey amame enyum no enye political song but was it used and remixed by some part of the NDC people to convey their message to Ghanaians? Yes. Was the song quoted and used by the president on political campaign platform? Yes, it was. And so, the song contributes 100%. Yes, he does because it did contributed. Because artists artists like Samini was commissioned to create a song for the MPP. Artists like Nasi was commissioned to create a song for the NDC. Then we can have this conversation. But did it contribute 100%? Yes, it did.
On says Stonebwoy statements now okomeki or World Cup raffle no. Enipa bebre are sending me DM. Andy there now also oka Stonebwoy send me there now oka. Hey yo. Stonebwoy asem no. Say na me hu no. Whether Stonebwoy eba abonten, whether Stonebwoy declare and stand as MPP or not. Come here, said the whole Ghana there. Now do one him say Stonebwoy belonging to MPP. But Obeka ni nsem ni wie na start say or chire nsem mu no. Ekoye say ono de oye neutral musician. Or yeah, Juma. And me share Stonebwoy in some or kafa. Ninyom ne ho anyhow or defended ninyom na. To me, no, I quite said the empenifo kasabi almost say abuabia didi kobe bia na sumbejo no. Stonebwoy or ye product or yeah, Juma. And it is one who say party be using the product to their advantage. Now later party ne ba power. I think say any average person be will also look smart. So obeko na one who dey make sure no. Kakra bia omode be mani bia waje no dia 2 years because ye nyina nim Ghana music industry and Ghana entertainment industry. So why anya smarter? When him round so no na man for use craft no. E dey aye big. Na wo na say creativity ni free no. Wanya ho mfa so bia. Why? MPP for this one who broken out to Papa na yo today. Hey yo. Hey ya. I want to say no. We are NDC ana. Ana wo de anyom na wo ye. Obi obafro bia wo de ne be ye adwuma. Bibi sa na opese wo kan na. Akwasi ko jiran kwanti alai. Ana me boa. Hey yo. Hey ya. But unim bibi Stonebwoy jejireje enyum asem na all no say eboa NDC ema NDC ba power ne won ensem ebromo ka fa ho no to me enipa ba ko pene betima masa asem no Ghana fo nyina agiatu say ampa Stonebwoy enyum no eboa omo during the campaign season or election season. I'm telling you nipa ba ko pe and betima ba bonten abestampo so. And to me, to say Sunny but my best stamp is asking we no boy. I say we all. Hey yo. Just say Kevin Echo Taylor Bedu a bar bonting a best stamp so say boy. Onyum no. Asem na obeka fa ho no. No cre. As a time I me video way no. Minim say Kevin Taylor ba abe react to Stonebwoy asem no anase ombaye. But to me, till say Kevin Taylor beba bonten, na yet Kevin Taylor so part of that story no. I say we menyan to wasi amasem. E wo mse mpanimfo say ensamanfo kra pedodo. Enu nti no say ne Stonebwoy say na dwuma eboa NDC a chale politicians no omo fa emotions mo. Politician. Oh, me papa na ka say politician what to mu di na no mu ye. Politician on foul emotions ho. Ade bi e be boa na amana retain power na say waba into power bia politician obobie ni promise ade no. Say be ya odi benya to me. Politicians obo per numbers. On foul emotions ho. And I think say our boy nim sa nyoma we nyina. Into ono no ono so onya grow. Yaw. Enu nti Mr. Mododo na munim Kevin Taylor no montag ne mame. Na mon kan che ne say Stonebwoy asem no wate anase onte. To ono so no ye kanipa o support NDC kese pa ma sabi NDC for eba power. Odi mu ntintimai. Na time na sabi omo ye underground works no. Dia na ono so ohu fa Stonebwoy nyem ne ho. Till say Kevin Eko Taylor beba abonten. I say we in charge. Ana ache. Because Stonebwoy be can same way no. I think say a week kra yaba. And me also Kevin Taylor ye videos be brave, but still come here say Stonebwoy asemi on can be bian for home, which means back doors communication be koso. Hey yo, Ghana politics. Hey yeah.